Today we are going to show you how to repair iPhone 13 Pro Max broken screen glass. Removing down screw. Use thin plate to go under the screen without damaging the screen. Remove the screws and shield from the board. Screen and flex disconnected without any damages. Applying tape on broken screen, which make easy when we remove the glass. Careful when removing Face ID flex. If you damage this flex, Face ID will not work. Careful while entering between glass and screen. It's time for cleaning the old glue from screen. Before installing new glass on screen, need to clean the screen good. This is the main part, framing the glass on screen carefully. If there is any mistake, it shows lines and difficult while installing screen. Punching the screen takes about 2-3 minutes. You have to use soft things under the screen. There is little bubbles on screen. To remove bubbles on screen, we use bubbles remover machine. To remove bubbles, it take about 10-15 minutes. Until bubbles removed from screen, we are cleaning the frame. We use bubble remover machines again until bubbles removes completely. It's time for install Face ID flex. Adding glue on frame. Connect the screen, screw, and the shield on board. Checking there is no gap between screen and the frame. Before we give to the customer, we confirm everything working.